This profound time distortion was, in part, a survival mechanism, a neurological strategy employed by my brain to cope with long hours of stillness, of waiting to be cycled in and out of salon stations, into the stylist chair for the final round. These experiences inspired the time machine as a hood hair dryer, a device called the Psychotemporal Transcranial Stimulation Device, or PTSD, in my book of time travel stories, Recurrence Plot. The PTSD allows the user to functionally relive not only their own memories with perfect clarity and consciousness, but also the memories of others. Entities, educational systems, other norms actively enforce punctuality, punishing those of us who do not conform. This punishment for not being on time, or being 10 minutes late to an appointment, might cost individuals their livelihood, their children, their home, their freedom, illustrates how time is weaponized in racial and class hierarchies.
I went to Denton County Courthouse.
This form of temporal discipline is markedly different
I went to Morgan
from the
County
Enlightenment,
Courthouse and
promised by New Age techniques,
and
those who
died.
romanticize living in the moment,
Hale County Courthouse
borrow from ancient spiritual practices,
I went to Madison
and spatial
County
temporal
Courthouse and
orientations.
died again. I went to Lee County
The
Courthouse.
materialization of CP time,
Went to Hood County,
driven by legal
Marion County,
and institutional mechanisms
Tallahatchie County Courthouse.
of racist oppression and exploitation,
and died
underscores a deliberate
I tell you, I went to
and
Charleston
systematic
County
effort
Courthouse.
to deny Black
I went
communities
to the
agency
King and Queen County
over our own
Courthouse and
temporal
I
domains.
died and I died
Time weaponized
and died
in service of racial hierarchy,
and died.
first catalyzed
Went to Richmond County
then
Courthouse,
sustained.
Ellis County Courthouse.
the systemic oppression
Died
that denies Black
and
communities
died
access to
and died. I tell you.
agency in the past, present, or the future.
You know, so if you don't have it, this is what you need right now. I'll keep making, okay? Thank you again. We want to really break into the workshop now. I'll pass to you to just start us off.
So this here, like, and that seems like it feels like
That's hard, yeah. I look back at the drive.
If we think about gentrification as like a form of
I mean, is that what you do typically? Or do you?
so this here, like, and that seems like it feels like
That's hard, yeah.
We focused on was reclaiming time, ways that we can almost spiritually in some ways, like just kind of like Sarah said, looking out at the East River as we're crossing the bridge, right? Like, and just kind of like living in that moment, thinking about like what it all means, where it came, where it's going. But also real stuff, like maybe you have a whole bunch of capitalism, adulting stuff you need to do, create, you know.
Whether it's through like the penal system or through adoption or through slavery, gentrification, and then the other one was time velocity, so literally like moving very fast for no reason. I was just grabbing, washing the dishes and being like, damn, the dishes are clean, where are you going? And just like moving from moment to moment, how fast we do it, even when we have all the time in the world. And so I was you don't have to start at the started. You can have other parts and
that seems like it evolved.
That's hard, yeah.
to have the studio space and not have
I look back at the drive.
because you don't have to start up every start.
I mean, is that what you do typically?
face feels so good, you know, to live in that for a moment when we can. When we smell something that takes us back to childhood, to remind us, oh, that good feeling that you're feeling, like, that's because you've lived.